Ready to build the ultimate gaming PC in June 2025? Here's a quick guide for mid-range and high-end budgets. Start with the CPU. For mid-range, the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D offers 8 cores and 32 MB cache. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285K is ideal for high-end builds, boasting 16 cores and a massive 36 MB cache. Next, the GPU. Grab the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 12 GB VRAM for mid-range. For high-end, the RTX 5080 shines with 16 GB VRAM and advanced AI features. For motherboards, the Asus TUF Gaming B850 Plus Wi-Fi is perfect for mid-range, while the Gigabyte B850 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7 excels in high-end setups. Cooling is crucial. Opt for a 240mm to 360mm AIO liquid cooler with ARGB lighting. Aim for 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and fast NVMe SSDs for speed. Finally, choose a power supply rated 750W to 1000W. Happy building, gamers!